Redmi is all set to launch its first laptop in India. The company will be conducting the launch event on 3rd August. RedmiBook laptop series first introduced in 2019 in China, and the product list has been expanding since then. Xiaomi has finally decided to launch the Redmi lineup of laptops in India, and it's expected to sit below the Xiaomi notebook range. The laptop will be aimed at the work from home audience as well as for students and teachers for e-learning applications. The new Redmi Book will launch with 15.6-inch screen that gets full HD resolution. The laptop has been spotted in teasers shared by the company. In terms of design, Redmi is expected to opt for a low-profile minimalistic design. The Redmi branding will be present on the lid of the laptop as well as under the laptop screen. The laptop is expected to launch in a single charcoal grey color. The laptop is expected to be priced aggressively considering the target audience and also to live up to the expectations from the Redmi brand. The laptop does feature considerable large bezel, especially in the bottom and top. However, the overall profile seems to be slim. In terms of specifications, Redmi Book is expected to give the device a Intel's 11th Gen Core i3 and Core i5 Tiger Lake processors. Additionally, the laptop is expected to get SSD storage in 512 GB variant and 256 GB variant. This will provide faster boot timing as well as general processing speed. Redmi might provide a 65-watt charger with a new laptop.